So to hear, you're good to go for a next run, that is what makes us proud. I'm Gerard Keser. I have been described as a maritime professional. I have been in the renewable energy since 2002 because that's been a passion of mine to see that market segment grow. I'm responsible for the delivery, the operations within Reynard. You're only as good as your last job, so we need to make sure that whatever we do that in the right professional manner. So that contributes to the success of Reynard. In the end of every project is a client that says this quality has been outstanding, it is above our expectations, it has been done within the budget, and we will do business again. I think that is the most important thing. Our clients are clients that we will see from time to time again. So to hear, you're good to go for a next run, that is what makes us proud. So yeah, we live from project to project, and every time it makes us proud as, if there's no defects and the electrical installations work to their expectations. The biggest challenge for us as a team is to increase finding new colleagues who are willing and who have the same, let's say, attitude towards doing a good job, much like the first comers to this beautiful company. We are only as good as our last job, as I said. And we need to continuously more people, train them and make sure that they also do a good job. So the Reynard family needs to grow, so that's a big challenge. Our hopes are that in 5 years from now, let's say, connecting cables and connectors and installing high voltage circuits and systems is not only something we do offshore, but also onshore, throughout Europe and perhaps even further outside of Europe. The opportunities are bountiful, so it's up to us to make sure that we pick the right opportunities and make sure again that we do a good job so that the electrification takes shape further and further. Well, first of all, I think that we do a good job in two things. Understanding on an abstract level what it is that makes a client happy, enter into contracts that we can actually deliver. So let's not be, overly enthusiastic and then come to regret it. But also, if you filter down, make sure that people who are going to a job are properly qualified. So the academy that we have built is really an asset that you don't see with other companies. So making sure we are prepared to do what the job at hand is, I think that sets us aside from some of our competitors.